Today I'm going to be doing some technical analysis on a coin called CHZ, CHZ. This is going to be based upon short-term price predictions. So yeah, basically it's done upon request. I'm not currently in this, but I'm watching this. I like the pattern that is formed. So first things first, we'll go check it out on CoinMarketCap. CHZ, it's ranked 38. The price right now is 52 cents, up 10%. Market cap 2.9 billion. Volume 941 million, circulating supply being 5.5 billion, with max supply being 8.8 billion. So yeah, as we see right around here, it's been launched on July 2nd, 2019. So what is CHZ? CHZ is one of the largest blockchains for esports and gaming crowdfunding, officially launched in 2019. The idea for CHZ and the platform socios.com were initially conceived in 2016. CHZ is a token designed to allow fans to support their favorite sports team through blockchain-based interactions. So anyway, so I'm not going to really dig deep into the fundamentals. I'm just looking at it in a short-term perspective, guys. So if you guys are invested in it, by all means, just stick to your strategy. I'm just looking at it on a short-term swing trade, right? That's what I'm looking at it. If you guys want to know more about it, you guys can click on that CHZ.com on their go to their website. So let's see if they have any events coming up. On the 31st, they have a new PFLF token launch. They'll launch a new token in the Pro Fighting League. So anyway, so we'll go take a look at the chart here. So we'll go on the weekly, guys. We'll start off on the weekly. Like as you see right here, it just made a parabolic move up, right? So this is kind of risky to get into right now, especially with uncertainty with Bitcoin. I'll dig into Bitcoin too here a little bit. So yeah, long story short, guys, if we look at it right here, there was resistance, right? There was previous resistance. What happened was when it broke out of this resistance area right around here, right? And then it broke out and then acted as support. And this is the weekly chart, guys, right? So what we'll do here, guys, and then we'll run a retracement on it from right around here to consolidation point after it broke out and it came and tested it. So right now in the weeklies, you see it's well over the 9, the 20, and the 50 right now currently. We'll go ahead, guys, and we'll run a fib on this, right? We'll try to see some retracement levels, right? So the 786 level right here, the 223, 22 cents right here. This is another area of support, 38 cents, guys. And then 0.5, also the 0.382, the 382 area right here. And then as you see, guys, the 0.236 is acting as resistance. So yeah, so what we'll do here, guys, we'll go ahead and we'll dig into the daily. We'll open up the daily and we'll see if we can see anything better. So this is how I usually start doing my TA. I start off with the weekly and then I look at the daily, right? And I try to look at some resistance areas. As we see right here, guys, there's resistance in the 7.3 area, and then this to me looks like a bull flag, guys. So made a move up. So basically from the consolidation point to its high, guys, it's a 4,600% move, right? So that's heavy, I mean, right? But from when it topped out right around here, the 93 cents mark, guys, you can see if we draw a line right here, I mean, if we measure it to the low, it's down 52%, right? So this area looks interesting to me. I'll explain why here. See, once it topped out here, there was downward selling pressure, right? There was downward selling pressure, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So basically 14 days, 2 weeks in a row, there's been selling pressure, right? And this has been acting as a resistance, right? So, and then there's support. You see how it touched one time, right? It held a 9 right here. Touched another time, 2 days, and then 3, 4, 5 days it broke, it caught support on the 20, and then right now we're right under the 9 EMA and still under this, but we peeked through this. We kind of broke through this yesterday. We'll take a look at it closer on the 4-hour chart, right? So what I'm looking for, guys, this is the areas that I'm looking for a short-term swing trade, right? Possibly up to its all-time highs. So what I'm looking for, guys, we'll look at it, we'll break it down into the 4 hours so we could see, right? So as you see right here, it has broke out. So the previous times it broke out, if like look, it wasn't able to hold above it, right? So now we're holding the 20, we're over the 9 EMA on the 4 hours, right? And the 50 is acting as resistance, right? So the next area of resistance, if we dissect this, guys, that we'll see right around here, which is the 53 mark, it acted as resistance, and I'm talking about the short term, right guys? And then the 55 mark, in my opinion, it's going to be really critical to break this area, the 55 mark, because as you see, it's been making lower it's been making lower lows and lower highs, right? See, if it breaks this area right around here, the 55 cents mark, what's going to happen is it's going to make a higher high, right? So that's just going to indicate that it wants to make a move up, right? That's just in my opinion. So the next area is resistance. See, we've seen some selling pressure right here around the 53 cents, right? If we break this and we break this right around here, the 55 cents area, the next area of resistance is going to be the 60 cents, right? And then there's resistance 68. But in my opinion, if we break the 73 cents mark right here, we can make a possible run at its all-time high, right? And its all-time high, guys, if you look at it from where we are roughly all the way up there, it'll be a 88% move from where we are currently, right, to its all-time high, right? So is that possible? Sure it is, right? So these are the areas that I'm really interested in, because it's been holding this support. I just want to get a confirmation that it could break through 53 cents, and then also after it breaks through this and then breaks through 55, then we can see that it just made a higher high, right? So that means it's just the reversal. The pattern is reversing, right? This downward pressure is this downward selling pressure is broken, and now we're trying to make a move higher, right? So the next areas of resistance are going to be 60, 68, 73, and this 73 area, I think at my point, is really critical. If we could break this, we could have a shot at the all-time high, right? And this is, I'm talking about in the short term, guys. So if you guys are invested in this coin, by all means, just stick to your strategy, right? This is just a short term. And then, but let's just say, for instance, the market doesn't go the way we want it to, right? And then it starts going down, right? Next area is a support. If it breaks this area, which it did, but it caught support right around here, so we have to consider this as a support area too, right? Right around here, right? As you see, it held a support on these 4-hour candles, right? So if this breaks, guys, if this area breaks right here, next area we'll be touching is the 38 area, and then area of the support will be the 29 area, right? So it all depends on right, guys, on how the market's doing, right? So you got to be monitoring BTC, right? So here, I'll pull up the BTC chart here quickly, and then we'll see what we have going on with BTC. Sorry about the mess here, guys. It's just the reason I have all these lines is because I monitor usually on the 15-minute, and I try to look for smaller time frame patterns if they're forming or whatnot, right? So if we're looking at it, I'll open this up in the 15 minutes, right? So in my point of view, it's just my opinion, right? See, right now currently we have a channel in the 15-minute, right? It's been acting as this, the bottom line acting as support, and the top line acting as resistance, right? And we have resistance right around here, which is the $53,000 mark, right? And we currently broke above it, right? And we're holding it, and this is the 15-minute currently, right? So if we take a shot at 53.8 and we break it, and then we could possibly make a move. Next area of resistance is going to be 49. After we break 49, we could possibly make a move close to 57, right? So these are the areas that I'm looking for, right? And then if this happens, and then it'll be pretty bullish on all the altcoins and everything in my point of view, right? So yeah, so that's about it, guys. That's just a quick analysis and short-term price predictions on CHZ. So yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. This is a fairly new channel, guys, and I'm trying to grow this channel. And also, I'm trying to put out roughly a video or two a day. But what I'm putting out, I'm usually trading it, or I'm about to trade it. And I also don't like to force trades. So I just don't want to be putting out any kind of content for the sake of putting out content. But if you guys have a request, you guys would like me to do a technical analysis on a coin, please leave a comment down below. Alright, guys, awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have yourself a great day.